welcome.
Did you see Iche? Why is your face like this?
Call Mama for me.
But what happened?
I said, call Mama for me now.
Mama!
Because somebody is trying his best to comport himself.
No.
Stay in this village and...
Okay. What happened? Why is
for you to pray this kind of prayer for him? Instead of you to ask, and you shall be given. So why you're here cursing my son? Eh? And as for that fire, I will quench it.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, I sent for you. I asked your sister to call you.
Yes.
You see, since you finished university and came back to this village, I have not done anything for you.
True.
And when I discovered that you read house building, including estate, I was so happy, extremely happy.
Actually, it's called estate engineering and management. Yes, and I also came out with a very good degree, 2-1. My value in this village. People don't know. You must be looking at me like one small boy.
Don't blame us, eh? We didn't go to school now. I have grown now.
I know.
That's by the way, eh?
Yeah.
No, it's okay, my son. You see, I Odimwe. I made money when money had values. And that is the more reason I called you here. Okay. I called you because I want to give you a contract. Yes, I want to give you a contract.
Me, Jay?
Yes.
You want to make me rich?
Of course.
Hey! Where Cambusi? Hey, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Jay. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you, Jay. Thank you.
Sit. You see, your father and myself, we are very good friends.
True.
So, it's not possible that I'll just be watching you to suffer. No, it's not good now.
God bless you.
No, it's not
God
good. It's not fair.
If
I do that, God will judge me.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you.
Because that you have made money is not enough. What impact have you made to the society?
True.
Use that your money to improve others. That's when people will say you have made money.
Thank you very much, Jay.
So, I want to give you a contract.
Okay. What exactly do you want me to build?
I want to give you a contract to build a big toilet for me. Yes, so that we can start from there, because we move from known to unknown. Then, when you do that one very well, I will now be proud to give you mansions.
You called me to your house, me, a graduate of estate engineering and management, to your house. To tell me that you want me to dig big toilet for you, me.
Of course. Is there anything bad in it? No, let us at least start from there. Like I said before, we move from known to unknown. If you do that one well... Look at me. What have I done wrong? Who has ever done what I have done in this village? It's okay, you can go. I know you will come back. I presume you are going to think about it. Go, I am waiting. That's no problem.
Good day.
Ike, what is the problem? I see you talking to yourself as you were coming. Huh?
Honestly, Chie, if not for the respect I have for elders, believe me, I would have insulted Ichie Odingbe.
Hey, Nwokoye, what has he done this time?
Can you imagine? Me, a graduate of estate engineering and management. Ichie brought me down so low. Hey.
Do you know that? I didn't know that you read so much book. It was only yesterday at the beer parlor they said it. They bind the Ekerembo. Dimbe also was there.
Oh, you see? I mean, who doesn't know in this village that I'm a graduate? How many graduates do we even have in this village? Do you know what Ichie told me to do for him? He said he had a contract for me. I was happy. I now went to his house. He told me to build pit toilets. Only a pit toilet.
That is not true. How can he patronize you like this?
Imagine. Oh, Christ.
Ojua, don't worry. I have something for you, but this one that you are annoyed, I must remember your CBD.
No. Hi. Ichie, please. My annoyance, it's not for you. It's for Ichie Odingbe. For you, I know you. Ichie, I trust you now. You have something good for me to construct.
What Odingbe gave you is bad.
Of course.
Good, but mine will be better. I want you to construct. Hey!
Ichie! I said I know from the way you are doing this big contract.
Yes. Go to house. Construct. Why? Bishop gave me good. About to give me good so that they can see where to deliver. The good we deliver inside. That is good.
Jacob.
Hey! Children of these days, they want to make it big. They don't want to start gradual. Now, don't.
Brother, welcome.
You too, welcome.
Did you see Ichie? Why is your face like this?
Call Mama for me.
Brother, what happened?
I said call Mama for me now.
Mama!
Because somebody is trying his best to comport himself. Stay in this village and...
Okay, what happened? Why is your face like this?
Mama, you see Ichie Odingbe and Ichie Okaro? Go and warn them. Honestly, warn them before they say that Ike insulted somebody. Warn them.
What happened? Talk to me.
Ichie Odingbe called me. He told me to come to his house as he has a very good contract for me. And of course, I came there now.
Yes?
Do you know what he told me to do for him?
What?
To dig pit toilet.
What?
Latrine.
Hi.
So doesn't he know what you studied at the university?
Of course he knows. Who doesn't know? Who doesn't know in this village what I studied in school? How many graduates do we have in this village? He told me to dig pit toilet. Pit toilet that small boys used to eat in this village.
Of all things to tell you to do, it's pit toilet. Girl, do nonsense, Bifa. Doesn't he know the level of your education?
I've suffered. Honestly, I've suffered. That one is not even... I now left his place. I was coming back home. You know me now. I'll never insult anybody. I was trying calmly to comport myself. I now met Ichie Okaro on the road. And I explained everything to him. He said I shouldn't worry. And he has something big, another contract he will use to pacify me.
I trust Okaro. I trust him.
You trust who?
Okaro now.
Hey! Goat house.
Does he even have a goat? Okaro ewu. Na bro na bishop promise le no ya nwunye ewu.
You see? Check it now, Mama. Just check it. Is this not a calculated, well-organized insult?
It is though.
Come and see his face. When I told him I want to give him contract, he was so happy, extremely happy. But by the time he heard pit toilet, pit toilet, his face changed like when the particular.
Yeah. You see, when he met me, he was complaining of that. He was expecting me to pity him and blame you. Blame me. Do you know what I told him? I told him, no, I have intention of giving you another contract.
Yes.
Which is building goat house. For me. He couldn't hold his anger. He nearly tore me into two.
Let him come and take a state contract. Did he even see anyone that will give him such contract? Did he? And he is in this village roaming about.
Don't worry. When hunger hit him, he will not to ask for that job, to collect the job. And I will be waiting. Because that Abubuegu, that goat house must be built.
Of course. Me too. I have intention of building another toilet after that one. But if he comes back and feels sorry, I will give it to him. I will just give it to him to try him.
Yes.
Now, look at our sons and daughters who read good books.
Oh.
They did not even see jobs to do. Let alone him that read, what is it called?
Estate. House building.
House building. And he's just trying to show off. Anyway, if I give him this one and he do it well, it's okay. I'll give him another one. Makana onye manarie, enyeku yozo. Onye manarie, enye yozo.
Onye likwere ni janyo nse piti toilet adempa.
So what are you saying now? That you no longer need Ikem in your life?
Honestly, I don't know at all. I don't know. You see, Ikem has been in this village for so long without a job. And it's beginning to disturb me.
No, don't pity him. Don't pity him at all. If you don't want him, better let him go. Since he has been in this village, he has been bragging. I read this in the university, I read that in the university. Is it what we eat? He has been in this village over 1 year now. He doesn't have a job.
My dear, that's the problem. Do you know that Obaino that came back last year has been disturbing me? And imagine me, I was there pitying Ikem. But the point is now is that if I should agree to Obaino, he will, Ikem's mother and the sister will not think I'm a bad person, you know, by thinking because Obaino is rich, Ikem is poor. Don't you think so?
Leave Ikem and his people. You are dulling. You are dulling, seriously. There is nothing like love without money.
I know.
If I were in your shoes, you see Obaino, that boy Diego, I can't get so. I'll just follow him. Leave Ikem alone. No. I know why I'm telling you this. If Ikem makes money tomorrow, do you think that Ikem will still come look for you? Definitely, he will go and look for city girls. Big girls, so not you. You and I know this.
Abi, you are right. You are very right. You are right. But you know, Amaka is our friend. if something like this will happen now, she will not turn against us. Oh, in marriage.
Who is Amaka? Who cares?
No, you harsh.
But who cares? This is about your life. Oh. We are talking about money. You're talking about Amaka.
You know, the point is that Ikem just has to try. He's a man. Oh, okay, Kob. He has to make money.
I understand everything. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. I have very good results. My degree too, everything, excellent. I made a 2-1, yes. Now, it's not a problem. I know, see, I've not really worked, but I know that anywhere, once I get a good job, Mama, you know now.
I know now.
Once I get a good job, it's not a problem. I'll perform. Oh, okay, Uncle. So, is it the job you are talking about? Is it in Lagos or Abuja or? Hey!
Okay.
Okay. America. Hey! Uncle, wait. Uncle, tell me you are joking. I was thinking Lagos or America. Hey!
Say it! America!
Hey,
what is he saying about
let me. Hey, Uncle, are you serious? Hey! Uncle, please, God will bless you. If you can do this for God will bless you. God will bless you. Mama, say it to her.
God will bless you. Bless you, Mama, bless you.
Wait, I'm the person that is doing it, not you. Mama, no problem. I will do the necessary things, then I'll put everything in prayer. It will work.
It will work.
It will work.
We are praying already.
Yes. Oh, okay. Thank you, Uncle.
Saying about America.
Mama, Ike, your son. Anagomo Bodoba. Anagomo Bodoba.
Ikem is moving. Ikem is flying. Oh,
Mama, let me give you this. He said he wants to prepare visa for me, so I should do my passport and wait. He will work out everything and I go.
Brother, that is good news, oh.
Mama, did you hear it? It's not just good news, it's great news.
God, oh.
Although it has not worked though, but I know it will work. It will work.
This good God has finally wiped away my tears. Hey!
I was even thinking it's Lagos or Abuja.
I was even thinking it's Onitsha. Hey!
Hey!
Nah. You know what? Let me go and see Ugochi. I need to collect my money that she's owing me so that you can use it and do what.
Okay.
You need to go and take this passport, Ozubo.
But you see, wait, come. Mama, please. This is just news, though. It hasn't worked.
It will work.
I know, but Jello, as you go to Mama to Ugochi's place, you go. Please keep it to yourselves. I can do it.
Don't you what you're going?
I am so sorry, honey.
What the hell is wrong with you? Why do you keep doing this? Why do you keep wasting my time?
You do this all the time. I complain and you still do it. You know what? I'm getting pissed off. It's getting me upset right now.
Forgive me. I told you about the arrangement with my brother, visiting from overseas. Yeah, that's what I've been busy doing.
And how is that supposed to be my business? How? You keep doing it all the time. Maybe I should start suing you for keeping me waiting. You know what? This better not repeat itself again, okay?
It won't. I promise you, it won't happen again.
By the way, I hope you are not planning to bring your brother to my house because it ain't gonna happen. So I hope you have a plan B.
What? I already told him I was gonna bring it. He was gonna stay here. We got plenty of rooms.
Really?
Yeah.
Does this look like a foster home to you?
Come on, girl.
You know what? Scrap it. Just help me get something upstairs.
Hey! Oh, Nyakankene. I greet you. No, Nyakineto. Don't even pretend that you're happy with me and my son. Oginedo.
Wow. No dianga.
It's a no dianga. Ijulum no dianga. Okay, I will tell you no dianga. Let me ask you one simple question. Yes. Assuming your son, he had gone to the big university, but assuming he had gone, studied big books, and comes out, would you be happy if someone asked him to build a goat house or a pit toilet for him? Would you like that?
Is that what you mean? Eh? How am I wrong? Eh? Is that not what you have that you will give to somebody? How am I wrong that I want to find money for your son to eat?
Eh? Isigini? No, in case you don't know, no. My son is not hungry, neither am I. Let me tell you. Let me just warn you. Next time, if you don't have a big project, like building a big house, for my son to execute, don't call him. Not to come and build unewu, goat house that people that didn't go to school build. Okay, if he does that kind of job, those people that didn't go to school, what would they do?
Machi, please go. Ijihoku.
Ejihoku.
Iya ina call Plutumpu. Yeah, because that job, see that job, is he waiting for your son? If he decides to come back, because I know he would. Job is there waiting for him.
My enemies. If you goat house. How many goats do you have? Bishop Unyagi.
Guess what? Girl, can't you say something without saying guess what? I can't guess anything right now, please. Check this out. Check it out. What's this?
When I tell you these guys from Africa can never be trusted, you will say, no, Joanne, you're always so paranoid. Now you see. That's your mic. And a bitch.
Where did you get this?
A friend sent it to me. Don't fall my phone.
It's just because you and my late father, you were very good friends. That's why I've decided to bring myself down and take this work. Because ordinarily I shouldn't be doing this thing, but because of the closeness, let me just do it so that other people will know that my work is good. They recognize me.
Good. That's very thoughtful of you. You see, when issues like this come up, you have to reason like a graduate that you are. Anyway, I have shown you the place. Go and check what it will cost. Get back to Odembe. Let me give you some money to start the work immediately.
No problem. Let me go and take measurements.
It's alright. Be fast. Nampa. Fool. Look at the idiot that I want to have. Huh? Who has done what I have done in this village? Who? No fear. They don't know that money is hard.
I've done this now. I've taken the measurements. Calculated everything. It will cost 75,000 naira.
Oh, so easy. I'm happy that you're really good in this. It's okay. I'll give you
30,000
naira. Okay, I'll give you 30. So that when you finish the job, I'll give you the balance. I think that will be okay with you.
It's not less than 30, exactly 30. So I can buy enough material.
It's okay. Let me get your money.
Chika, come here. Sit down. Chika.
Mama?
There's something I want to ask you.
Mama, what is it?
Ike's mother, Machi, was here. She came to ask me of the 800 naira I borrowed from her. Since. What I want to know from you is this. Have you broken up with the son?
Mama, not yet, but I'm planning to.
Are you stupid? How can you say such nonsense? Chika, how many times have I warned you to stop listening to gossip? What is wrong with you? Eh? How many times have I asked you to stop listening to whatever people tell you about Ike?
See, Mama, let me just tell you the truth. I am not benefiting anything from this guy. Would I consider to be his girlfriend just because we are family friends? No, nah.
Chika, you have to open your eyes. You have to shine your eyes. I am your mother. I know what is good for you. Yes! I am your mother. I know when a man has a bright future. That boy, Ike, he has a bright future. Please. And do you know that ever since I borrowed that money from the mother, she has never been to my house to ask for that money until today. Why? It simply means that she is suspecting something. For so many days now, I have not seen Ike here. Neither have I seen you visiting their house. What is it now?
See, Mama. Mama, you don't understand. But Mama, I believe that very soon you will understand. See, Mama, this boy, I'm not benefiting anything from. Is he one-sided?
Honey, I'm home. You got something to eat?
Hi?
Yeah.
You here? Really? Really, bitch? You're in my house? What the hell are you doing in my house? No, I'm asking you what the hell you're doing in my house.
I don't understand what's going on.
You don't understand what I... Who the hell is this? You're kissing some bitch? Is this not you?
Calm down.
Is this not you?
I can explain.
You can explain.
I don't even know that girl.
You don't know the girl, but you are kissing the girl. You know what? Just give me my key.
You went actually.
Give me my key. I said give me my key. You want to go on this? Give me my key. I picked you up. You broke it.
What are you doing?
I gave you food. I sheltered you. And this is how you made me.
Calm down. I said I don't even know that girl.
Get out of my house or I'm going to call the cops for you right now.
Come on, be serious.
Get out of my house.
Whoa.
Get your head! Get out of my house, bitch! You are so ungrateful! I fed you, I spit your broke ass, and I will break your head right now! I will break your head! Who did that? Bitch! I didn't even know her! You don't know her! You don't know her! I will
most painful thing. When I got to Gochi's house, she said she didn't have the money. She now gave me a granite. And anyway, she must pay that money. Friendship or no friendship.
Hey! Mama!
What kind of nonsense is this? Get in our tree. Or some that you even a name bagadi wine.
Why? It's the excitement in my heart. Mama, Dajo.
No, since.
Mama, Dajo, no. Yes, Dajo. Sit down.
Chimo.
Mama. Ike gano Obama. Ike geje na bo Obama, Mama. Hey!
What time are you, Jen?
Wait.
Okay, Natai. Okay, Natai. Ego.
This is 30,000 naira. Money for my passport.
Mama, count it.
30,000 naira.
30,000 naira.
Bianwa, I hope you've not done something stupid for money. Where did you get this money from?
Calm down. You remember what I told you? I said no matter what it takes, I have vowed. Mama, this is money for my passport. Count.
$28, $29, $30.
Hey, Mama.
Hey!
Mama, don't shout now. Don't shout. Remember our plan. This is money for my passport. Keep it to yourself. Mama.
And now we're calling it. What you give?
Mama. Mama, this is money for my passport. Let me go and dress up so I'll go to Asaba and do my passport.
Wow. Amaka. Where did he get that money from?
I don't know, but I
See, baby. Do I really need to tell you?
Am I not your girlfriend?
So you know you are my girlfriend, but for some days now you've not come to check on me. Why?
Okay, don't say what you're not sure of. It's just that I am being worried about you. You have been in this village for so long now without a job, and it's beginning to affect me now. See, amongst all my friends, I'm still the only one that is dating a village boy. It's not good. Oderama.
Me, village boy. Don't worry. Very soon, you see this village boy you are seeing, you will not see me anymore.
So where will you go to now? Village boy?
Where I will go to? You want to know?
I want to know, tell me.
They will be a poor. They want to use you to get information from me. It will not work. I'm going to Onitsha for now.
No, Onitsha. Buy me Onitsha bread. Imam like Onitsha bread. Go where my love, yeah?
Hey, nigga. What in God's name are you doing here?
You gotta help me. I was at this place with a couple of guys. We were just having some drinks, and this girl walked up to me and kissed me. That was it. Someone took a photo of it. I wasn't doing nothing.
Really? You, Mike, wants me, Joanne, to help you?
Yes. Come on. Yeah, I mean, you guys are friends. She'll listen to you.
So now you know she's going to listen to me. Mike,
yeah.
Have you forgotten what you did to me when you were new here? I asked you to go down with me, but instead you humiliated my sexy womanhood, right?
You wanted me to betray Rosie, your best friend? Really? Oh, now I get it. So you took those photos. That was in the past, girl. Come on. Are you serious? I couldn't have done that. You took those photos. You tried to betray me? Wait until she knows what you tried to do.
Okay. Nigga.
Okay.
Let's see who she will believe.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Stay here.
Sure.
Wait here.
Go ahead.
Wait.
Oh, yours. Go ahead. Wait a minute.
Don't go. Wait here.
Come on. Listen.
Stay.
Come on. Listen. It's crazy.
Girl, guess who is at your door?
My door? Can't guess. Who?
That psycho Mike.
Who? He's here?
Right here. At your door.
After everything I told him? He's here?
He's there. At your door. You know what? Perfect. Call 911. I don't think that guy has any good intentions. Right away.
Hello? Yeah, there's an intruder in my house. Yes! 311 Shalimar Drive. Alright, thank you. Is he crazy or what? After everything I told him, he's here?
Psycho niggas.
God.
My friend. Ah! Edochie, you're here. How now?
Demma, I came to tell you something.
Something? What is it?
I tell you, don't even say that I'm the one that told you.
Trust me now.
Chika said that she no longer wants your brother. Now she wants Obinna. You know that Obino Konko, Obino, the one that lives in Abuja.
No wonder. The other day, I saw Obino's car in front of their house. So that's the reason she no longer comes here.
You know I care about your brother. Just tell your brother to leave this girl. So that this girl will not break his heart. I don't want this girl to break his heart. I care about him. He's a very nice person. And he's handsome too.
I told Ikemo. But Ikemo will not listen. When he comes back, I'll let him know.
He's not even around.
He left furniture today.
So, when is he coming back now? So I'll come and tell him by myself.
Don't worry, he comes back in 3 days' time. But I will let him know myself, Thank you for coming to tell us.
But I still want you to come and tell me now.
I
want to come and tell him by myself.
Alright now, thank you.
Machi, Asim can do where have I wronged your son? Your son came to me for a job. I offered him a job. He was angry with the job. He left. Later he came back for the same job. I gave him advance to start my work immediately. Now this is 3 days. 3 good days and I have not seen or heard from him. What is going on?
My son traveled to Onitsha. He will be back today. Besides, I'm sure he went to that Onitsha to buy the things he would need for your job.
Machi, I have said my own. I have said what I want to say. If I don't see your son today, I am coming back with the police. And he knows my system. No malurie enyeku your son. Manonya malurie police enye your son. All the way for you. I'll bring down
It hasn't got into that now, police.
It has gotten to that. It has gotten to that. I gave him good 30,000 naira. Do you know how I made that money? And you said it hasn't gotten to that. Now listen. Let him bring my money. Let him bring my money. Or I will raise down this house.
Ichie.
Onye malurie. Enios.
Anjene. Adama Yoke Podimogom. Is that why you're coming to threaten me? Wait, oh. Did you even give my son that job so that you can put him in trouble? Or not be your plan? Oh, I say plan. So what?
Much, I don't care how you put it. I don't care how you put it. But what I'm saying is that if I don't see your son today, if I don't see him today, police genyo. Police genyo.
Anu gonum ijirudo.
Asim gina police genyo.
Nsi namno ijirudo anya man cause iji. Kine ijirudo anya man kiji. Ogene.
Why would Brother Ike do a thing like this now?
When he is your brother, when he comes, you ask him now. Officer,
I am telling you, he is not my husband. No. I don't care. You can do whatever with him. I don't care. Okay.
What are they saying?
Imagine the fool. He told them we're married. Oh, this. Well, I'll go down there and explain things to them.
No. No, you can't go there.
Let him send the nigga back to his country.
If you go there and he sees you, he will begin to beg. And I know you, the moment you see his tears, you will fall for his lies. Let him send the nigga back to his country.
I think you're right. Well, I'll just let him go. It's okay.
Men, they're all very useless and stupid.
I don't believe that. Some still know what they want. You know, I can't believe I was actually planning to marry that guy just to help him get his papers. And then again, I pity his brother. You know, he'll be all geared up, you know, so excited, thinking things are still okay. Well, that's his loss.
Okay. Rosie asked me to give you this. I'm sure they're her clothes.
Thank you.
Mike?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
How long would you want to stay in the United States?
I mean, like, cool, forever, man. I have nothing back home, so yeah.
How much secrets can you keep?
I could keep a lot of secrets. I mean, like 100%. Sure, with my life. I won't even remember the secret. So, yeah.
That's good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know what? Rosie is my very good friend. And as you can see, she's so rich. Yeah. But she doesn't take rubbish from anybody.
Okay.
But you know, I can actually help you to get your papers and make you a citizen of the United States.
Oh, cool. That would be great, man. I really would appreciate that.
But it's going to cost you one little stuff.
Or anything. Whatever it is, just tell me. I'll do it. Like, yeah.
Nice. Rosie's going to be on her night duty today. And I am going to stay here with you for the night. On your bed.
I'm sorry. What? No, that can happen. I don't understand. No. Don't say that. That's not gonna happen.
Wouldn't you like me to try on this your cassava?
Don't do that! Jeez. What's the matter with you?
Fuck! Fine. Let's see how much longer you last here. Fuck!
By the time he sees the police, he will know that I did not give
I greet you once again.
So you're back?
Mm-hmm.
Look at my face. Did you see any response of Ichie I greet you on my face? Did you see that?
Ichie, calm down. My man, Ichie, calm down. I heard you went to my house to threaten that you will call police. That was not necessary. Ichie, I went to Onitsha. And it's because of your work, your job, that I went to Onitsha. So I'll get some materials. You know, you entrusted this job into the hands of a graduate. I have to do it like a graduate. So I decided to go to Onitsha to get solid materials. I used to do that work. By the time I'm done, that's where I went.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
But you should have explained this to me. Huh?
You're right, Ichie. But I don't have to start explaining everything to you now. You know that. Unlike so many people in this community, I don't work like all these small boys in the village. That, you know, they will do something for you. A few months, then I want to do that toilet to be solid. Solid. The best toilet in this village. Let me show you example. See this thing inside here? This is called tetrazinous phosphate. Mayo, with this thing, if I put it in your toilet, 120 years, that toilet will be there, solid. Your great-grandchildren will use it, no problem.
Hey! Oh, this is good to hear. If I had known, I wouldn't have gone to your mother.
You see?
It's okay, that's no problem. Let's go home so that we'll sort it out.
You see, Ichie, trust me. Hey, Ichie, that is not all. You know you're a big man. I want to do this job for you so that it will be solid. Very solid. Now that I have this one, there's still another thing I need to buy. Another thing you need to mix with this one to give you a very good job. It's called takwini. Say takwini, Ichie. Takwini.
How much
with that thing, once you mix it with this and put in that toilet, no more problem. Solid. Just 20,000 naira.
20,000 naira.
That's all.
That is not a problem. Ichie Odemboy has made money. So there's no problem. You see, if you had explained all these things to me, I won't have any cause to be angry.
Of course.
So we had to go.
I know.
No problem.
One thing, estate manager. Go put a seat.
I'll have to pour this thing on the ground. The way Ichie, don't add the finance. This thing is very dangerous. And even the smell is not good. So let me pour it around. Please just be there. I can do.
So this thing is dangerous like this.
Ichie, the money for Takwini, bring it so I can take off it.
I'm very happy that my toilet will be the best in this village. Ikechuku. Onye manarie enyi ozo. Let me get them.
Ichie, please hurry, so that once I'm done, I'll get the other one. Pour the toilet, everything will be solid.
Okay, I'm coming.
Idiot. Stupid man. Graduate today come here and say, I see me go belly toilet. What an other $1 credit. Yeah, for now. Just be there. This thing is dangerous. What do you go?
Odimbe akpata ego. Ego abụrụ nsogbu na ịlụ ọya ọfụma.
Yeah. You have nothing to worry about. Once I go now, Takwini, buy it hard. Remember, please don't go near children. Nobody should go close to that place.
And also remember, onye malaria.
Mama, Ichie Odimbe should count himself lucky. That Lilia, can you call it change? Makelie mother, I never know your change. Mama. Oh, thank you, Mama. Don't mind that, Ichie. Next time, let him come and call a graduate like me. Ngweli happy toilet.
Brother, it is sharp. When you get to America, nobody would play with you.
You know, Mama, I took my time to study everything in this world, and I realized that all material things I need you a credit. Car, house, everything material I need go a credit. Only one thing, dollar. Hey, Mama, they go for $1 credit.
There's only one thing that bothers me.
Yeah, Mama.
Don't go there and cause any kind of trouble.
No.
Remember, because I don't want them sending me back to Nigeria. Not ending up in jail. Then if you be see you.
Mama. Tomiko Obama, Mama. Hey. Mama, you have nothing to worry about. You know me now. There won't be any problem. The only thing I want now is for you people to continue praying. You see how things are moving. Everything is going well. Please keep praying. Like I told you, visa something is not easy. Once I get there, I hope that everything will go well, so that they stamp it.
Hey! One thing bothers me. You know that by the time you leave, children will come looking for his money.
Happy chair. I know how to handle it here.
From America.
Happy chair, Mama. Don't worry. Just don't tell him where I've gone to. Don't tell him at all. I'll be communicating with you. I'll tell you things to tell each other and you'll be calm. Can't have a problem.
So what do you I've not told anybody anything about it.
Me too. I didn't tell anybody. Even that your girlfriend Chick herself, I didn't tell her. Mama, do you know that Nkechi came here the other day and then told me that Chika is no longer interested in Godao?
Don't worry. I understand. See, I know that she loves me. The problem is that right now, I don't have money, but it's okay. That's not my problem now. Story for another day. For now, let me just travel out. Mama, throw me go, Baba. Up and there.
Okaro, you see it? Eh? I told you that this boy knows what he's doing. Look at what he's spreading. I don't even know what to call it. You see it?
So this boy knows his work.
Of course.
I saw him carrying his big bags, traveling. When is he going to start the actual job?
Once he comes back from the city, he will start it. Because he told me that he was going to buy another chemical for this same job.
So he was going to buy chemical with all the big bags he was carrying.
Okoro, you see, this is one thing I don't like. Ebia, are you now suggesting that he's leaving the village?
Yes, he is traveling.
Okoro, it's a jaire. Exactly what I thought the other day, that he abandoned my job. I now went straight to their house to harass his mother. And that same day he returned. Okoro, I'll wait for him to come back and do my job.
Okay, so he...
Okoro, what are you trying to do?
I want to know what...
Okoro, do you want to die in my house? Please, you better go elsewhere and die, not in my house.
I want to know what it is. This thing smells like nsiewu, goat excreta.
Please, this thing is not goat excreta. This thing is chemical. Very dangerous. Do you know that this thing is capable of cutting your 2 legs? And you will die in my house. Okoro, please, Bikokwa, not here. Go elsewhere and die. And moreover, I told this boy, if you do this one well, I will give you another one. So he knows.
Capital lie. This is it. Goat excreta, one leg. Goat nsiewu.
Okoro, if you want to die, go and die elsewhere.
Hey! Order! Hey, American wine. Hi. Okay, here we go. Pinyom. Hey, na wabu pia. Walungayo. Kwa waba yezege. Aya. Mama, I am now a sister to an Americana. Mama Defa, Mochi is now the mother of an American guy. Yes, hey! Ndilo, my enemies, come and hear. I am now an American guy's mom.
Machi. What is going on? Huh? Is he came back?
Back, kwa. Hey! Backwards, never. Forward, that's how we gotta go. Nah, my son can never come back. He has gone to the United States of America.
What did you just say? That your son
has gone to the United States.
Went to America with my money. My hard-earned money. He cannot try that. It's not possible. No, much you know me or them.
Ichie, Biko. Don't say that again.
Oh, tell him, Biko.
As we speak now, my brother has boarded the plane to America. Obodo Obama. My brother has gone to wine and dine with people of influence. So you better be happy that he's owing you. Because when he comes back, he is going to pay you 10 times more.
Oh, he's going to pay Bukuo. Now listen to me, Machi. I am going to wait the arrival of your son with the police. If only he will succeed, because I'm going to make sure that he's being deported. I shall teach him what the fire does with the ears of the rat. Police
no. How much is it that my son is owing you for you to pray this kind of prayer for him? Instead of you to ask, and you shall be given. Why you're here cursing my son? Eh? And as for that fire, I will quench it.
Machi.
Yes?
And where
is it also?
Machi, this is how you keep your mouth!
Properly kept.
You're asking me how much your son is owing me?
Yes, how much is my son?
You know the value of 30,000 naira, Machi.
Not compared to dollars. Not compared to dollars.
Machi, don't worry.
I'm not worried.
We shall see. Okay. So, Okaro has been telling me the truth.
Oh, you people have been gossiping. All right.
Okay. It's all right. We shall see. Don't bother yourself.
I'm not.
If you know what is good for you, just give me that money. Or better still, tell your son to give me back my money. Machi, let me have that money. Let me have the money, Machi. Okay.
My son will not give you back that money. How much is the dollar? How much is dollar to naira? By the time my son comes back, it's now 400 naira to $1 now. Get it for 30,000 naira. Oludu, calculate, Godi, how much is it?
Mama, leave that man, Biko.
But calculate what I said. How much?
Mama,
Oh, hey.
There's this.
Oh, man, go eh? Ukuloyan, Kina was it called chop? If you are not Ukulia, what about now? What? I was you, what I.
Onwebugo Karoraka. Ugochi. Thank God that I met you. As a very good friend of Machi, go and talk to her. Go and talk to her now. Her son duped me.
Her son duped you? Why?
He stole my money. For over 1 month now, I gave him money to work for me. He ran away with my money. Ran away with my money.
Now you see, you are the one misunderstanding this whole thing. Ike did not travel. The mother told me that he went to Onitsha and he will soon be back. Why don't you just calm down and understand with him?
Lies. She lied to you. How long?
Why?
How long will Ikem be in the city? I met her the other day, dancing. That Ikem traveled to America.
Huh?
Yes. Now listen to me very well and pass this message properly to her. That if she doesn't want Ikem to be brought back in a coffin, let her bring my money to me, Odimbe. Since Ikem has forgotten that he must be brought back in a coffin. Odimbe has spoken.
God forbid, Nani. Hey, Naya, can you say such a thing now? Hey, can you say such a thing? Don't say that again. No. But wait, Nani. Did you say that Ikem is now in America?
Go and ask her. but try to tell her what I said.
Yeah.
I am going.
Hey! Wonders is shall never end.
Papa, this is goat excreta now. How could Ike deceive you like this and take away your money? And you never bothered to call me?
My son, I thought that fool knows what he's doing. I never knew he's an idiot. He doesn't know anything.
Papa?
I mean, there was a name he called this thing. There was a name he called it. I can't remember. He called it a name that even you will be confused.
Papa, if he likes, let him run to anywhere. If he likes, let him run to any country. Uzbekistan, Pakistan. I will look for him and deal with him, Papa.
Don't worry, my son. He did it because he knows that none of my son is around. I am waiting for him to come back. If he likes, let him come back anytime he wants. The police is waiting. That is what. The police is waiting.
Papa, this is not about waiting, no. Because I'm going right to their house now. I will arrest his mother, his sister. I'll make sure they pay. Until they pay that money, I will not leave them.
No, my son, no, don't try it. It is against the tradition of this land to deal with a widow. If not, If not, only God knows what I would have done to them. You know me now, Odimbe. Since he has forgotten that no Nyamanarie Enyekuyozo, I will teach him a lesson he will not forget in a hurry. This is me, Odimbe.
I am so happy for you. Forward ever, backward never. Hey!
Sister, wait. When did he start making plans for this? Because I can't remember. The last time you told me that he went to Onitsha.
I did what my son asked me to do. Okay. I cannot know him. Makandiota no. The jealousy that will never let you move forward. Not in this compound.
To fear
God forbid.
But my sister.
Yes.
There is a problem.
Problem? What happened?
What happened between Ikem and Ichie Odimbe?
What happened?
I'm asking you.
Nem Ikem Ike that studied civil engineering, building Ojala Gonya.
Yes, I know.
Batalobo dad Ichie called my son Wesia that he should make a toilet. Latrine for him. Akwima latrine, the one that they dig. Yes. Not even the one that you flush. Yes. Is that not an insult?
How can he do that?
Oh.
That is a very big insult.
More than an insult. But you won't
with
blame
all his education.
God forbid. When he will see a girl, he says, I'm a latrine digger.
He asked me to warn you.
Tell
to tell your son to return the money he gave him. Else, he will be brought back from Obodoyibo, America. In a coffin.
He did what? Or they were threatened my own son. Come back in coffin. HMP. In Adom.
No, it hasn't got
No, it has gotten to that.
No.
He's the one that will end up in the coffin.
Exactly.
He will end up in the coffin.
Exactly. That was what
That was what I told him. I told him, God forbid. God forbid. He can't.
But my sister. I will advise you as a friend.
To do what?
If you have that money, go and give it to him.
That man is an evil man. Everybody knows him in this village.
Everybody knows Umachi.
He is a man of his word, so.
Let me tell you, I will respect you as a friend and not get angry with you. If Umachi, let me tell you, whether I have the money or not, I will not give him back that money. If that day for me, I will show that man more of Umachi.
I know, Mama can't do any.
He came Pupusike. If he came Obama. He came near Obama Neliko no Fuefele. Kifa na Imana Obama Sikenya Chisiapo. Clinton Abaka. The next candidate is he came to America. And that is my son. That is my son.
Honey, what's the matter? You haven't taken your drink.
Man, I'm not in the mood for a drink, you know. I am so worried about this kid, you know.
You should have waited a little bit longer at the airport. He may be there waiting for you, thinking that you're coming to get him.
You know, I searched everywhere at the airport. All the arrival areas, I searched everywhere. I went to the baggage claim. All the airline, not just his own airline, all the airline baggage area. I searched everywhere. I could not find him.
Could it be that his flight was delayed or that he missed his flight?
You know, I thought about that. The last thing I would hope from him is to come to Charlotte and get lost. This is a very big city. I mean, where will I start searching? If he gets lost, all my efforts will be in vain. You know what can I do?
No, it's not going to be in vain. Let's wait and see if he will call you tonight. If he doesn't, then we can speculate. For now, let's wait.
Hey, man, get up.
Joanne, is there a problem? I don't know him. He just walked up to me talking shit. That's how they go about begging. Let's leave. Oh, sorry. Are you new here?
Yes, I'm new. I just got into this country. I lost my bag, everything.
You sound Nigerian. Are you from Nigeria?
I'm very Nigerian. Maybe please.
Okay. Rosie, you want to do this again? Come on, this guy could be a ploy. Let's leave.
Don't mind her. I'm not a ploy. I'm just a stranded person. Help me.
Called you. Ike doesn't love you. Follow Bina. At least this guy loves you.
My dear, you're right. I know he's already tired of the relationship. Just I does not know how to open his mouth and tell me that it's over.
I know.
But it's well. I think I have to continue with Obino's proposal.
Better for you.
There's no reason why.
Is it not your mom?
Hey, Chaka. Obe. Hey. Chika. Omego no. Ifadi goma. Hey. Chaka.
Mama, what is it?
Chika. I told you that what an elder can see while seated, that even if a child climbs the highest branch of an iroko tree, the child will never see it. Yes. Hey!
See, Mama, first of all, welcome. I don't understand the joy in your face. What is it about? And the proverb. Because I don't understand. Or do you understand?
My daughter, did I tell you? Did I tell you that Ike has a big dream? But they don't listen to me. Now, it is about to manifest. Yes.
Hey! Please, Mama, what is it? Ah!
I was there. I was in the house. In fact, I'm just coming back from the house. Do you know that his maternal uncle, the one that has been in Obodo, America for the past 20 years now?
I know, Mama.
Bam! That uncle of his sent for Ike. And right now, as I speak to you, Ike is in America. Obodo Ibo.
Hey! Ike! Hey! Mama! I like, as in my own Ike.
Your own Ike.
I like my own Ike. Mama, like my own Ike.
Yes, your own Ike. I'm talking about somebody else.
Like my own Ike.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Oh, come on, girlfriend. Look at you. For how long will you continue to be foolish? Rosie, have you got any idea what you passed through lately? From losing your both parents to your first love breaking your heart. Then the stupid Ghanaian nigger you helped also broke your heart again. And now you have a Nigerian nigger in your house? Gosh! When will you ever learn?
John, you're confusing me. Honestly. See, this guy is from Anambra. That's my state. My conscience will not allow me to abandon him on the streets of America. I can't leave him stranded. See, all I want to do is help him locate his uncle, and then that's it. I'll be free. So please let me assist this guy. There's nothing wrong with it, honestly.
But that's exactly what you did for other guys. Yes. See, seriously, I don't want anything to happen to you, okay? You're a sharp girl, but when it comes to guys, you are weak. Especially the cute one.
No. You just did not say that. Anyway, see, just allow me to assist this one. And I promise you, this will be the last. The last. Trust me on that.
You even left the nigga in your house. Rosie, what if he steals from you? Okay, or plant something in your house and disappears.
Don't worry. I'm not daft. I told him that I have CCTVs everywhere. And any wrong move, the alarm will expose him. You should have seen the fear on his face. So don't worry. Just let's help this guy, honestly. This guy's my brother. I can't leave him stranded, honestly.
I got you. Oh, come on. Let's help her.
There you go again. Now you're confusing me the more. In fact, let me take my confusion to my office. I got work to do.
Rosie.
See you later.
Chike, my son. Please eat. Okay?
Thank you, Chief.
When you finish eating it, you pay me my money. Or I will call the police to send you back to this village. Finally, you will never live in America again.
No. Chief, please, I'll take your meat. That genocide, don't go there. Take your meat. I'm not eating.
Ike, eat the meat.
Chief, eat the meat.
You can say you should eat the meat.
I beg you, eat.
Ike, eat the meat. Eat the meat.
Hi. And Tamakavisa all in vain. Hey! It's your Dingbe. It's your Dingbe. I know you're the one behind this. I told him, say, Ichie, Bupuiru. Bupuiru. By the time I come back from America, I will pay you your money. You won't hear. Whatever no. See what he's doing to me now. Ichie, don't worry. Just don't worry. Just Memia be doing anything you like to me. Don't worry. If you just get here and there, Bunam Nigeria, and I come back, I will deal with you, Che. Honestly.
What's wrong? You're brooding this early morning? What's wrong with you?
My stay in America. I've not been able to achieve what I came for. And like people said, once I stay here for up to 6 months, I'll have to leave. If not, take a bloom, and it's almost 6 months now. I don't know what to do.
You shouldn't worry about that, okay? There's nothing you can do. Let's just pray that we'll find someone that will agree to marry you and give you papers. That's all.
Wait, can you do that for me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Find me anybody that can marry me, or I marry anybody, even if it's a woman that is old. As old as my grandmother, I don't mind. I will marry. Because just somebody that can marry me. They call it Akata.
What?
Akata. I will marry.
Now.
I'm fine. Hey, Ami. The work is a madika fanta. It's a cousin. Oh, Malijiya. Ami, mama.
Chika, this one that you are praising me like this.
Ami, this one you're looking so sweet this morning. Where are you going to? I'm actually here to see you, Shao. Is Mama in?
She's inside. What is it?
Ami, is it true that my love, Ike, has traveled out of the country?
Hold it there. Chika, what did you call my brother again? I don't want to hear that thing from your mouth again.
Ami, so he traveled there. He didn't even tell me. And you yourself that call yourself my friend didn't even tell me either. It's not good now. What the wrong? Ami.
I didn't tell you, Chika. Because you no longer come to this house. He didn't tell you because you no longer care about him. You abandoned us for Obaino. And now, because my brother is in America, you want to come here.
See, Ami, the truth is that I love your brother so very much. See, I love Ike so very much.
Love.
I know now. He does not care about me. I know. It's okay.
Story for the gods.
I forgive him. I have forgiven him long time ago. It's okay, no problem. But the good thing now is that I'm so happy. I am very, very happy. At least right now. I have a girlfriend to an Americana. You know what that means? See, I need to check if Mama is. Mama! Chika, come back here.
American way. There's no problem. Yes, my son. Oh, but she's here. Even Chika is here too. Yes. Okay, it's okay. We'll talk later when you get your own phone. Bye. Check and greet in the American way. Bye. Bye. He came, Papa. Hi.
Mama. Okay. You didn't even give me the phone to speak to him again.
Take it easy. That was what he said to me. Take it easy. He borrowed the phone from somebody and the person needed his phone back.
Ewo, chai. I wanted to talk to him. I would have loved to speak to him. Just that I miss him so much.
You miss him? I miss him. This one you're looking for my Ike, man. Ike near Anabika. Ebika, the dump of the criminals. In what Ike more store. Oh, God, they were dangerous. Ike near.
Girl, are you insane? Are you out of your mind? What are you thinking? You want to kill yourself for this guy? Come on, you've harbored him for 3 weeks already. Let him go. He couldn't find his uncle. Let him go.
John, why are you always hard-hearted when it comes to this guy? Or should I say all guys in general? I mean, the guy is cute. And upon that, he's very humble. You know, I've made up my mind to help him, okay? I mean, if I stop helping him now, what's the essence of helping him in the first place?
Rosie, you've done your part. Babe, you've done your part. The Ghana nigga you helped paid you with evil. Now you want this to repeat?
Yes, because I strongly believe that this one is different from other guys.
You've gone crazy.
No. I'm not. You see, I just can't help being who I am. You know, there's no way I'll just leave that guy stranded just like that. God has really blessed me. And I honestly do not know why. Maybe because I help people, maybe because I'm kind to people, and I just don't want to stop. Babe, see, encourage me. That is the least you can do for me. Instead of always subjecting me to fear. There's nothing bad in helping people. If they decide to pay you back with bad, fine and good. But I don't think I will allow them to change me just like that. I thought you had a patient to discharge today.
Yeah, before your nigga talk.
Oh gosh.
Let me borrow your words. Guess what? Guess.
You're getting married too.
Oh my God, that is the perfect guess. You are so good at this. You know, we're getting married. And I really love this guy. He's awesome. We were actually waiting for you to show up at the house yesterday so that we can give you the gist together, but you never did.
Yes, I had this patient I needed to discharge.
Oh, I can imagine.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Of course. You know what? This is not something we can just stand and chit-chat about, so maybe during lunch break we can just sit down and talk about it. Alright?
Yes.
See you later.
Yeah. Thank God he didn't tell her. Well, that's their business. They can both suit themselves.
Okay. You can be your new line. America. I knew you would buy your own phone. Yes. How does it came? Yes. You see, you got married. You came on. How? Why? When? Getting one cameras in. Eh? You didn't go with your kinsmen to do anything. About the introduction. Hi! Came in here, laptop on my. She's a nice girl. Is your. Hey. Okay. She's helping you. I'm not gonna help you, no problem. Madam, now, don't let her ride on you. Eh? Don't let her take control. Okay. You've not seen him yet. Hey. Now give me kitchen, check out your food. Check your Chike.
Mama, what did brother say?
Well, first of all, he has his own phone now. He got married.
Wow, that's good news.
Also, so now, wow. Give a wow. And that's now one name when you say wow. Eh? How can you go and get married without inviting the kingsmen?
Mama.
It's not good though.
Mama. Over there, that is how they do it. You don't know if my brother doesn't get married, he will not be able to get his papers.
If a man. If I'm not put around fear, up one over the one. Hey! No, he hasn't even seen my back. Okay, drop on here and away from one walking.
America is a very big place, so.
Hey! Oh, Queen. Wow. This is your place.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir. Hey, oh, Queen. Nice place.
Yes, sir. I own this place, sir, with the help of my wife.
With the help of your wife?
Yes, sir.
He's so cool.
Hey, honey, please come. I got a surprise for you. I got a surprise for you.
Hey, honey, you're back so fast?
Oh, yes, sir. I'm back. I could not shop. You know, I met somebody at the mall, but I'll do the shopping later. Do you remember this face?
No, dear. I don't. Should I?
Yes. That's my lost nephew. The one I went to the airport, searching everywhere for him.
Wow. Our nephew. I can't believe it. We'll be waiting for you.
Yeah. I'm happy to be here.
We've been waiting for you. What happened?
Believe me, long story. I'll leave it for another day. Most important thing now, I am here. I'm happy to meet you, and I'm happy to meet my uncle Ebele.
Same here. You are welcomed. Meanwhile, I'll go find something for you guys to eat and drink, okay? While you talk. I'll be back.
Okay, while she's doing that, let me go change my shirt so we can get to your house, okay? Yeah. I rush change my shirt, we go to your house. I see you right.
Yes, over here, honey. Uncle, you're welcome once again.
Thank you. Wow. This is an awesome house. This is like a castle. That's a magnificent piece of property. Wow.
Yes. How are you?
I'm good.
Meet my Uncle Ebele.
No.
I ran into him at the mall.
The one we've been searching for? Oh my God! Uncle, welcome.
Yeah, thank you. How you doing?
I'm fine. Okay. It's so good to see you finally.
Thank you.
Oh baby, this is so good. Welcome to our little home.
You call this a little home? Man, this is more like Queen Elizabeth home in London. You know, once I visited London, I saw this building. I was like, wow, that's a magnificent piece of property.
You're flattering me. I like it. Anyway, God has been faithful. And I also thank him for your awesome nephew who has added sunshine to my life.
Man, I'm so proud of him. I am so proud of him.
Baby, I have something else for you. But first of all, let me fix something for your uncle. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Welcome.
Okay,
Uncle.
This house. Uncle. Nanka, got too much.
Uncle, I've been America for now. I feel like good nasa.
This is more than his half a look. If you're not qualified. Jesus Christ. One will definitely want in a second to look at something.
Honey, please get the drinks. Something hot.
Are you busy? I'm trying to write down a home care report.
Oh, because I wanted to go down the mall and do a little shopping for my husband, and I thought you could tag along.
I can't do that right now. I need to finish with this.
Okay. John, are you feeling guilty about something?
Guilty about something?
Yeah, like, do you have something you want to confess to me?
Confess? Rosie, what's all this about?
Trust me. I know what you've been doing. I know all about Mike. How you set him up. How you have been trying so hard to seduce EK, and then you run to me and badmouth him. I know all about that. But it's okay. I've let it go. Rosie, I don't want to hear anything, okay? Just let it go. I've forgiven you. We're still friends. So, don't worry about it. By the way, Mike is still in the country. He wasn't deported. I never testified against him. So you better watch your back.
She baby, you don't have to do this to me. You accepted me. You know I'll be coming properly tomorrow to seek for a hand in marriage with my families. Now you're telling me that it won't work again.
Yes, I told you. See, then I was in a relationship with Ikem, and you actually forced me to accept you. Now I have made up with Ikem. I don't want again.
See, you know he's out of the country. Are you trying to tell me that you wait for him till he comes back?
Yes, no.
Please marry me.
God forbid! Ah!
She
No.
baby.
See, I love Ikem very much, and he loves me too. So I'm patient enough to wait for him till he returns.
Kedia. Chika.
Mama.
What is it? You have not finished discussing. Here. Please, I want you to go and buy me something. Now.
Mama, please. You don't have to do as if this doesn't concern you. Please talk to Shika. I want to marry her. I love her so much.
Yay! Am I the one you want to marry? You have talked to her. She says she doesn't want you. Why don't you just give up? Accept and give up. Give up. Listen, why is it that you young men of these days, you don't give up easily? Huh? Biko. Hey,
Mama, I'm coming.
I'm going to open now. She baby.
Hey, I'll be a rich one.
I was about coming to your house. Chika, my mother sent me on an errand though. What is it I'm hearing? The mother was at my place today. What is it I'm hearing about you and Obaino? You rejected him.
Why won't I reject him when my boyfriend is in America? Or don't you want me to marry your brother again?
Chika, my brother is married though. Better go and marry Obaino. I wouldn't want you to be disappointed though.
Don't worry yourself, I already know. My mother told me. But you see, I heard he got married to an Igbo woman, and whenever you go there to marry, it's for a visa or something like that. Something that I don't know, but you know, see, he will come back to me and get married. I'm his legal wife now. Or don't you think so?
Don't say I did not tell you.
See, don't worry. I'm even coming to you so that I can collect his phone number. And you know, I need to start communicating with him.
Phone number?
Yes.
No. I'm telling you that my brother is married. And then you are busy asking for phone number. Do you want his wife to shoot him? You know women can be very jealous.
Nne, calm down now. Leave that one for me. See, that's not a problem, okay? She is there. She can do whatever she wants there, but she cannot come here. Do you understand? I can even pretend, you know, and sound like I'm Ike's younger sister, you know? See, don't worry yourself. Udo, you understand? See, I need to... Oh, don't worry.
Chika.
Yeah, later. When you come back, let me know.
Onye na-akpọ mama Nemo. Ọ bụ onye na-akpọ mama Nemo. Nwanne m ife dị mma ga-enye nne. Ayaya, onye ọ ga-adịrị mma. Ayaya, nwanne m ife dị mma ga-enye nne. Ayaya, onye ọ ga-adịrị mma.
Mama, you will go with Ogilio.
Oh, can you see fully? You ever for using for abacha and taste it? Okay, man, get you now. Okay, let's see. Choo!
So you enter plane, go to America. You, Bachi.
If I see that you, eh? To think that Mumadifa, I have an American in-law. Who would have believed that Machi, of all people, will go to America in a plane? One can affect a no. Wanna be starring songs and
Chika, please come and help me bring out this.
See, I'm having serious and you don't stop me. Okay.
What's again? So you could not stop the and help her pack those things. What is wrong with you? Oh, Jenica, are you jealous that your child just put to bed?
Ma'am, go to Makabiko. Who cares about her? I'm not going to your shadow.
Ogechi, Biko. Gina Chika, why Biko no. If I don't know where it's coming from because my son Ikenna never promised to marry her. I'm just making everything clear so that we will understand each other. And never. Are you the one saying this? No. No. You now, they were lovers before he left. All her uncle Kafani, Father Udumo, go well for the Onyamaro solo yaga, feel river, and young Roman Malacada by Udum. Actually, you must meet you.
Machika, I and my mother, we know why you are saying this. So there is no guarantee. I don't want people to say that my brother and our family disappointed your daughter. We know why we are saying this, so.
Hey, let them talk.
It's okay, eh? If he comes back and refuses to marry me, I will let him be now. And then Woody and Madu said,
Again, I fear. She should be angry.
Did they do it? Did they fight?
I was not there.
What you suspect?
Yes.
What is
this?
American style 911 Casa kwa American wonders.
Hey, sister. Oh my God. Sister. No, welcome. Welcome.
You have a beautiful house here.
Thank you, sister.
All the houses here, white. Eh?
Oh, Queen City.
Queen City.
Queen City, welcome to
Hey! Queen City in car is beautiful.
Welcome.
American wonders 911 one touch environment go change.
What about your wife?
Oh
no. She should know that.
No, she knows you are here. She knows she will come down when she's ready. She'll be coming down.
She will be coming down when she's ready.
No, she's Black American. Oh, you're Jim, I'm not a Black American. She heard your voice. You know, she will come down when she's ready. She will.
I don't want to hear that language. Go upstairs and call her to come and serve me something to eat.
Sister, food and drink, that was not a problem. I'll get you some food and drink. I'll be right back. I'll get you drink. Yeah. Sister, I'll go with you.
Mama.
Yeah?
Huh? I told you this place is America. Not Nigeria. They are with their own lifestyle. People here. Oh, I'm happy you know. If she comes down here, you upset her. Once she calls 911, they are going back to Nigeria. People here. Leave Uncle Ebele to live the way he wants to live. Mama.
So
she arrived?
Yeah, so she has arrived. I even spoke to her and then spoke to my brother's wife too.
Really?
Yes.
So you understand how she talk? You know what? I only hear them when they talk.
No, I heard her perfectly. Oh. She's Nigerian, from Anambra. She's not Oyibo. Just that she was born and brought up there.
Nigerian?
Yes, so my sister.
Igbo woman?
Yes.
How would your brother do that kind of a thing now?
What did he do? Didn't you know that he was married?
No. I never knew also that it was an Igbo woman.
We never knew ourselves too. It's as Mama got there, we discovered that she was Igbo. But well, I'm happy because they said when they are coming back to Nigeria, they will buy me new clothes, new shoes, new everything.
They're even coming back to Nigeria?
Yes, so my brother will soon be building a house. And they are bringing the son for his traditional rites.
So he came, got married to a Nigerian, and you couldn't even tell me?
I don't know what you are talking about, Chika. Chika, I warned you. Chika, I warned you.
Hi, Amaka, how are you?
Hi, Obaino, good evening.
Evening to you. Chika, get one. Akalogo, Chika. Are we fighting? Well, Amaka, I heard your mother traveled to America for Mugo.
Yes, so my brother's wife gave birth and then she had to go.
That's lovely.
Thank you.
Well, I came back to see my mother. This is my wife. We are planning for our wedding.
Wow, Guinea. Welcome. Oh.
Thank you very much.
Don't forget to put me and my friend fine and
Sure. Chika! Can you ever change?
Obaino, I will see you later. Please let me run after my friend. Oh?
No problem,
right,
no problem.
Later.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Edochie. It doesn't even taste like the one we have back home in Nigeria.
I told you, Mama, everything here is different.
Sister, it's true. Everything is not different over there. Everything is different, including our wives. That is why you're going to find a way to handle Ike's wife. And there's only one way to do that. Handle them like Aqua. Handle with care.
More.
Yeah, sister.
I don't want for like a cow. We care. Now that girl was a Nigerian girl. And your own wife too is not Oyibo. So what are we talking about?
They are citizens of America and they are citizens of Nigeria. That's what you call dual citizenship.
That's big grammar. All I know is that you see that Ike's wife. She's here in America and she's in charge. I understand that. Marifuko, when she will come back home to Nigeria, it goes in here and 911. Sorry,
Sister, you're very funny.
Has she not heard my voice?
She's coming.
That's what you've been saying since.
Oh, honey, here you are. Yeah, meet my sister.
Hello, how are you?
What's wrong again? Young can't get itchy to Talamaka can't get.
I can see, man.
What is she talking about? Give me my hand waiting.
Honey, she said that your fingers are so beautiful. You know, she's supposed to touch it.
You know, we keep considering Nambo at that night. Number to so good and be a can so you not kiss your woman.
Sister by America.
Okay, thank you. When did she come?
Oh, she just arrived. Yeah, she just arrived.
No, it's about easier. On a mother, you see, you book again.
See, I don't like this. You're talking what the hell I don't understand. You know what? To hell with you.
Honey, no. Honey, wait a minute. I explained to you what she's trying to say.
Yeah.
Mama. See what you cause now. Eh? I've been telling you, these people in this country to live the way they want to make people feel.
Mama Fana workers, you are always angry. Your wife gets angry easily. Nkapa bekita na ewiwe. O gini do? Kedu your sukoso na sofa? And when you
Honey, please, you need to calm down, okay? Please calm down. Okay?
How can she insult me in my own house? I don't like that, you know.
Listen, I know you don't like that. She's not insulting you. She was just admiring you. You know what she said? She said you look like one of those angels she see in the books. You know, she was saying like, oh, I'm not worthy of shaking your hand. That's all she's trying to explain.
Really?
Honestly.
That does not sound like it to me.
That's my sister. You know, you cannot just leave her like that. I know she means well for you. Okay?
Anyway,
trust me.
She is welcome in our house.
Okay.
For your sake.
Okay, thank you, honey. Thank you.
Chika is okay. Since you didn't want him, another girl has taken the chance now. Eh? Chika, sorry.
If I had known that your brother was getting married to a Nigerian woman, I could have gone ahead now to marry Obaino now. Eh? What is this now? Look at my life.
My brother. Didn't you know, Chika? Didn't you know? Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Oh, sorry. Ma, welcome.
Mama, welcome.
Chika, why are you crying? Chika, why are you crying?
Mama, I'm not crying.
You are not crying. Why is your friend crying?
I saw Obaino and his wife. And then she came here and started crying.
I'm not crying because of Obaino. I am crying for the fact that your brother deceived me.
He deceived you.
But Chika, how did he deceive you? Is it because he came married an Oyibo woman?
Mama, which Oyibo woman? He did not marry an Igbo woman, no. He's not Oyibo at all. He married an Igbo woman. Igbo girl, Yaloro.
What? Why would your brother do such a thing now? Why?
Hey! Ma, but you people are aware now. Both of you are aware that the Kim is married.
Yeah. Your mother did not tell me that at all. What your mother told me was that he came married an Oyibo woman, not an Igbo woman. Don't I know the difference between the Igbo woman and the Igbo woman again?
I don't know. I don't know.
Why did you deceive us like this? Like that man?
Ma, my brother did not deceive you. My brother did not deceive you.
Hey, I know you.
One thing. Estate manager. You go bury simply. Go put a seek. America. You so brave. You come on. You so Aqua 2-1 degree representer. You America. On a quinta. You so brave. With the high potential. America. You come on. You so brave. You come. You come on, mama. Money is good, you can want my marriage to go back.
It's good to see you. Your mother is back from America. Just look at me. Look at me. Check out my legs. Check out my feet. Whoops.
Okay, good evening. Welcome.
Thank you. Honestly, Mama looks so sweet.
Really?
When I went to the airport to pick her, I didn't even recognize her again.
I knew you didn't recognize me. Now, I was looking at him, I was like, okay, he didn't even answer. You didn't recognize me.
My mother.
But if I'm looking that beautiful, don't you think you should find me a husband here in the village?
Mama.
Okay, one old man in America, Ebele. I don't mind going back. You gotta go. Please, let's go in. This rain is disturbing me.
What did you buy for me?
Nico, the things are in the boot. I don't want the rain spoiling my stuff, so you just leave it there. I'm a Suzuka on your chat.
Nne, do you know your brother is in bondage? All in the name of making money.
Mama, Do you mean that girl in marriage is humiliating him?
Is she humiliating? Yeah, that is a small word to use. It's worse than that. She treats him anyhow. Talks to him anyhow. No, it can't work now. Oh my God. Opposite weekend came. Hey.
Ikem, my brother of all people, allow a woman treat him like that.
You've not even seen anything. When I tried to handle the matter, do you know what he said to me? No, don't do it, oh. She will call 911. She will call the police, the cops, they will come. That was all he was saying.
Eh? Which one is police? 911. What's the meaning of all that one?
How would I know? Manan Sobuadero. They are coming back in a year's time. And when they come, hey, I will teach her a lesson she will never forget. I will show her my own. Oh yes, I will show her my true color. I will call 1414 and 922 on her.
Ma, me, I will not let her treat my brother anyhow. When she comes here, she will have me to contest.
Now. But no, your brother is very rich now. Hey! You won't even know how rich. Do you know your brother's house is like that cathedral? That is how big his house is. Kilisian motors. Cars, different types. Mercedes. Some I don't even know what they call them. I only know Mercedes and Toyota because I see those ones here in Nigeria. The rest I've never seen.
Mama, no wonder he gave you plenty money and this beautiful car.
This car? You call this car beautiful? This is the one he wanted to throw away. You now gave it to me. The one I was eyeing. Hey! Akechim Enzenobuda. Wanted to throw this away.
Mama, you enjoy, you know.
Oh, your brother is very rich, oh. I'm telling you.
Mama, did you talk about Chika?
Yeah. Anakapo. Papa. Chika one. Do you know when I wanted to say shh? Shut up immediately. Chika Chika. My son is happily married. Even though I don't like that girl because of the way she treats him.
I pity Chika. I warned her. I want Chika, but she wouldn't listen.
You can a warning. Better tell her to go and marry another man. Yes, she might get old in her mother's house.
One thing, estate manager. Go put a America. You so brave. You come you so representer. You so brave. With the high potential.
Thank you. I'm so cool there. My love. Aha. This is the house.
Oh my God. Wow. This is awesome.
Wow. It looks small in the pictures.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay, Bia. Wow. You have done well.
Oh, yes. Yes.
You've done well, okay? Hi.
My supervision.
Okay? Let me see this. Let me see.
American Rose. This is Nigeria. Mabowalo. And one apple. Bowalo. And now.
In fact, because of this, he is $1. Okay, he is $1. Good boy. Junior, is this
What is Moshi? You have to come now. Ike is back from America.
What?
Ike?
Yeah. In this village?
Yes. You have to come. You have to come for your money before he leaves. So.
Hi! Ike in this village? Okaro, thank you very much for coming to tell me. I will tell Ike that I don't forget things easily. And I don't care whether he comes back from America. He must sleep in the police cell today. Today, Monageno. Wait for me. I'm coming.
Come and arrest him. Arrest him.
Mama, leave me, I beg.
Now. Tika, please don't go.
Mama, leave me.
Tika, please don't go now. Don't live like this. Why do you want to leave now?
See, Mama, I have to leave this village. You are the one that advised me to leave Obaino. Now look at my life. I am left with nothing.
Please don't leave. I didn't know that it will lead to this. Please, I beg you. Please, I beg you.
So when you beg mercy, no. Mama, I have to leave. Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Don't do this to me.
See, Mama, what is this? Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone. What is this one now? I have to go and get my husband. Leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone. What's this now?
Money is good, you can want my marriage to go on a squab Obama. Enough for them, now FIFA. American wonders, yeah. Okune wuna, it can be kiri. Isi a pegumpe upon 200 degree. Hey, chibi. America. You can use your one mama, Alabama. Respect manager. Use your brain. You can for Obama.
This is the house. This is where the man live now.
I'm lives here.
Sorry.
Okay. Officer, let's go.
Well, I'll find you something there.
Don't worry. I'll see you later. I'll see you later, Officer, let's go. Let's go now.
Go where? Go where?
Are you not a policeman? Huh?
Yes, I'm a.
Come on, you are going with Adingwe. Huh?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Who's that? 200 degree, it don't show. With potential, let's go work.
Where is Ike? Now call Ike people or I will arrest you. Who are you now? I said I will arrest you. Now can call you. Tell Ike that I'm looking for him.
Hey, oh boy, what's going on here?
Explain the call, sir.
Yeah, explain the call. What's going on here? Ask once again.
I want to see Ike.
You want to see Ike? You mean my boss?
I don't know, but I want to see Ike.
That is him.
You came to my house with police. You know that.
Ike. So this is you, and this is truly where you live. Hey, money is good. Ego amaka. What is better than money? You see? That is why I've been going around telling people. It has been my sermon morning and the night that you will one day make us proud, and this is it. It has happened.
I know I owe you money. I've not forgotten. I've not forgotten. I told my mother not to pay you, that I will pay you myself.
You are under arrest. Shut up. You're under arrest for what? Huh? Ike, please don't be offended. I don't know this man. You see, I am very good to the people, police in this society. So I said, let me come and pay you homage. Now, he saw me on the way and decided to follow me. I won't ask him to go back.
Are you
My friend, quiet!
Hey, boy, you don't deny you just now, yeah? Get out of this place.
Somewhere, that's it. No man. I'm not going to go in ego. Ike, Chukwu.
Change your cap on my car. Huh? You try for me.
It's one mother.
Hey! Wait.
Look at. Ike Chukwu nya na ayom ego. Oyiri nne ya.
I know. You gave me 50,000 naira.
Yes. I don't know you will remember.
This is 250,000 naira.
Ike Chukwu.
God bless you.
Ike Chukwu. Ike Obama. Ike Obama. Odogwu.
Ichejọba. Onye kwazi ihe na adị etu Ike Obama? Ịma na adị ego dollar credit ichie. Ichie ihe dị dollar.
Ike Obama. Na hey, ego amaka. Efka moto. Look at.
Ichie tukwa mi ọzọ.
Ike Obama. Ike Obama.
Adị ego $1 credit. Ngwa.
Ike Obama. Ike Obama. Hey! Nke ọnụ ọrụ ka ọ bụ n'ihe biko.
Ofu.
Ike Obama. Ike Obama. Ike Obama. Ike Obama. Hey! Ọ ka ndị je. Ka ndị mepee na mepee. Mepee ụzọ.
What are you doing?
Good morning, Mama. I'm cooking.
Ikem, you're cooking in Nigeria. Ikem, this is not America. Even a Medigi. Where is your wife? Come and cook. Look, this one I won't even keep quiet. I will go out and shout so that the whole town will know the kind of wife you're married to. Can you give it
Stop this thing now. Stop this thing. I'm cooking for my family and I'm used to it. I enjoy it.
You're used to it? Oh, my God, oh, my God, vigilante or what? What can she do?
Honey! Are you done? Oh, baby.
It's not mommy. Are you done with what? You should be the one cooking this food. Don't you know that he's in Nigeria? You want to turn my son into a slave in Nigeria?
Excuse me. Why are you insulting me now?
You are insulting you.
Mama.
Jenny!
Stop this thing now.
Let me now tell you something. When I left America, I was very angry. I've been looking for an opportunity like this to deal with you. It's not in America. Calling cops. You forget that. You can call vigilante, army, police, knife and spoon, call them soy. I am waiting for you.
Honey,
Mama, please stop.
Why is your mother insulting me?
Don't worry.
Honestly, I can't take this insult anymore. This is too much.
Mommy.
Mommy, get up. Baby, get in again. You shut up.
Mama, stop this thing.
Stop it.
Wait, she's so what?
Nigerian boss.
Mama.
Okaro, nobody has made money in this village more than Ike Obama. I have seen and confirmed it.
You mean he gave you all this money, including the dollar?
I didn't believe it. I did not believe it. I even denied the policeman I came with. Yes, I denied him. Also Kojina. Also Fiam. Una. Do you know what he told me? Onye mararia. Enye kuyoso. Onye mararia. Enye kuyoso.
Please find me something. Why don't you find me something?
Find you what? Okaro? If it is a play, stop it. If you need 1 trailer load of this mud, consider it done. But don't get closer to this money. Or better still, go and give him your own money to stay years so that you will have this knowledge. Onye mararia. Enye kuyoso.
But if I did not tell you that Ike is back, how would you have known that he's back to gain this money?
Okoro, you made a point.
Find me something.
You deserve something. Okoro, you are my good friend. You deserve something.
Hey. Bring it.
Use this one for your snuff. Use it for your snuff. I told you you deserve something. You're a good friend. As for this dollar, I won't give it to you. You know you're not used to dollar.
Is it not what they gave me? I have gone. I'm just coming from the market. I brought this so you can go into that kitchen and prepare food for your husband. I mean, how can I do have a full-grown woman like you in the house, and he will end up being the one cooking a masarana before. Today, all that will end.
Are you insulting me or what?
Insult. It's not insult. It is not insult. It's called ingredients. Called ingredients. You're supposed to go in there, prepare something for your husband to eat by the time he comes home.
You know I'm respecting you, right? I don't want to insult you, but you're getting on my last nerves.
Yes, you.
You're bullying me. You know that? You are bullying me. If we were in America, I would have called the cops on you for bullying me. You know that, right?
You're not in America. This is Nigeria. You think it's that thing you and my son did to me in America? Every little minute you call 911 for me. I'm on walk. You're now in Nigeria. I will call 944 for you. Okazenjo, I'll call my forks and spoons on you since you like calling cops. Yes!
I know what to do.
You know what to do? Oh! You think you know what to do? If you're almost just pass here. It's America! You know what to do. There's nothing you can do. I'm going to go. You should tell him that.
I can't take this. I cannot take this anymore.
Gosh! Mama! Give me the damn phone! You see, I am not going to give you the damn phone until you get into the damn house and cook the damn food for your damn husband before he comes back. Else,
I will call the damn Abolo vigilantes for you.
I can't take this. I just cannot take this anymore.
Okay.
Mama, once my husband comes back, I am going back to the US with my son. And if you try to stop me, I'm going to call the Interpol.
This girl has been lying to me before. Also that she will call the cops on me. Then she changed it to 911. Mano, 911. Now she says Tapol. I will go to this man's shop, buy all the tapols that she needs, so she will do the damn thing that she wants to do.
Mama,
nonsense.
Take it easy. I'm not commander in Nwokoye. I don't know Nwokoye. Gone.
Na Nigeria. This is Nigeria. They have guns in America, not in Nigeria. Go turn off that generator. Ojuage, you see, gas has finished. That girl has been maltreating my son. I need to give her a taste of her own medicine. Damn it! Now go and do what I asked you to do. Move it, damn it! I will deal with this girl in a damn way. In this damn house, man.
Oh my God! What is this? Oh my God! Ooh. Oh gosh! Gosh, I'm dying! Oh. Oh. Thank God! Thank God! Oh my God, honey, thank God you're back. Thank God you're back. Oh yeah, no, I'm dying. I am so hot. The AC is off. The power is off. I am sweating like mad.
What? You can't be doing this thing now.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come here. Why is there no light in the house?
Okay, there's no gas.
Did you drink it? There will never gas.
Honey, I'm very sure Mama told him to switch the power off.
Huh?
I'm very sure.
My mother, is it true?
Yes, okay, I'm sorry. She asked me to off the light.
Is it true?
Yes.
Hi. Mom.
Thank you.
Mom, sorry, eh? Okay, get out from there and go and put on the generator. Sorry, Mom, sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you.
No, now I've just stayed in the house now, so you won't be suffering like. Don't worry. See this thing my mother is doing. It will end now.
You had better end, because if it continues, I will have no option but to take my son back to the US. And if you try to stop me, I will call the Interpol.
Huh? Okay, you want Interpol? Okay. Thank you. Easy, hasn't gotten to that. Huh? That's one Interpol.
Oh my God.
What is Junior?
Junior is inside sleeping. Oh my God.
I'm so sorry.
Mama, so you mean she still came back here and refused to cook for my brother? Me, I will not take it all. I would have been here earlier if not for my exams.
Thank God you're here now. You will help me to fight that girl. You give her the lower one, Odaro, you add the upper cut onto it. She wants to turn my son into a slave.
Mama, where did brother go to? I miss my brother. I want to see him.
This stupid girl. She's so foolish. And my body a girl called woman called lady. Do you know that this girl says she will call Tapol for me? And then she will call the cops. Go see a debono and then 911. It's body boy. Oh, 911.
Mama, but I've told you 911, cops, all those things are police. But which one is Tapol, Lokwa?
Look at you.
Mama, you look so
this Okaro or the Panama?
Mama, give me.
Oh, give me Kwame. Give me Jimenon.
Why would you tell Okude to put up the generator? She's not know him.
You're wasting money. Is it not fuel? Is it not money for fuel?
Is it your money?
It's our money now. Oh, go, man. You want to finish it?
Your money is our money.
This one you said now is true. I die with them. But Mama, try and accommodate her now. Try for you people to live in. People, if you don't like her, Mama, I've told you. Without her, I wouldn't have been here. I wouldn't have everything I have today. This big house we're enjoying. Try to respect her and live with her. She has done so much for me.
I'm not only so with the girl or lady. I have no problems with her. My name will so with the way she treats you. Eh? Can't you know double one season in a kitchen? Now rape. Or you can engage you now, chacha, see a fella now, chacha. You will in the one that kills me the most was in no cortex in it. Why you teach a park in that place? Get on the witches.
Rapia, omonete. Also, go to so bad, maso. Please. Why am I the boss in America? You see that small bag I used to go? Take a bunata, nothing else, and I'll still be paying her bills.
You two from the apathy.
Please, just try to live in peace with her. That's all I'm saying.
No, we will try now, Manana. The basic key called Bamache. Because you love Neko. If it's your one, you want her, eh? Because she helped you. What about me, Maggie? For 35 good years, I took care of you. I bring you 9 months now for Maggie. I'm going to go enough in our particular footballer. Edananka. When I wali Ebele Nation University, you came out 35 good years. You should be my pet now. Just 2 years that she helped you, she wants to turn into a maid. Hey! Mbano. Chukwaju.
Mama, take it easy on them. I understand brother's point. Yeah. You know she was not brought up to do all this.
She wasn't. Understand.
Mama,
Biko. Because this is where I stand. Allow her for me. I'm Gamuni, I say. Also, please, I don't want this thing to repeat itself. Please.
Hi. You get?
Hi.
Mama, why you, Mama?
Basic iko Obama jello was in case of pante. When you know so now, because no, what is going on?
Mama,
it is not Jide Fanwayo. No one make on an you see Jide Wanyo. Okay for Rosa, very wicked girl. If you see what she did to me in America.
What did she do?
She said, Mama, let me take her around. Something like a good girl. What we're doing, we're just one of small amusement if I'm a wrong. We're doing money if I want. That girl is wicked. One bet. But I will show her. I will show her that she cannot take my Ike from me. You've changed though. La 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 la. Oh, la 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 la. Hey, la 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 la.
Oh, hi, Mama.
Is that supposed to be an insult or what? It's not. Hi, Mama. Eh? Is that how to greet your mother-in-law? Can't you say good afternoon? Ebele, good afternoon, Jezebel.
Mama, why do you like trouble? You like trouble too much. What have I done to you? What?
Okay, for you. You're very, very lucky that my son begged me to take it easy with you. Oh, no, Bria. You think you can speak grammar? Wait, my daughter will soon come. You know, nonsense.
Oh, gosh. You know what? I don't want trouble. I'm out of here.
You see, you're walking out from here. What is it? What is it? What is it? Call 911! Someone call 911! 911! Even when I'm down, you still want to call 911?
Because Ochunwa Koko Wada men.
So you've been deceiving us? Mwibo, why in the kitchen? Hey! Ochunwa Koko. 911!
Madam. What is it?
Call 911, okay? Mama is down. Yes, 911. You can't go out it. 911.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry, Mama. Kita Kima.
La 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 la. Oh, la 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 la.
Sorry. Oh, honey, thank God you're back.
Thank God. Mama had an accident. I mean, she hit her leg on the table. Do something. I don't know why she's still in pain.
What happened? Accident? Huh? Imagura. Man, let me see.
Honey, I actually told the gatekeeper to call 911.
Yeah, 911.
911. In this country.
Madam, they are here. 911. Even the driver is waiting outside.
Ofute. Is your butter tipper?
The Nuku, even her. Original one. They will sand.
Imagine his friends finding him in the kitchen cooking. Who didn't look at him? You call Obama, Obama. Yes. You know, that time I came to America, I wanted to thank you for taking care of my son. But when I saw the cooking every time in the kitchen, I couldn't say it. I was very upset. In Nigeria, the same thing. My God, please, that culture should change when you're here. It's again. No, it's again.
That's not my mother. That's what she said. This is what I've always wanted. For you people to reconcile and let's live in peace. So we know what God has blessed us and we bless this family, Mama. Just not my wife trouble.
Okay, one more thing, my daughter and I will teach you how to make African dishes. In short, Nigerian dishes. Dika, Jagonago, Utopaka, Ofora, Ofolu, Akide, and when she say, when you see me, when you go back to America, you show them where you're coming from.
Mama. I like that. You know what?
What?
I'm going to give you 100K. If you teach me.
$4 go naira.
Oh my God.
Ike Obama. Chai.
Brother, what of me?
Really dollar.
Nah. Come on, man, in
that case, I'm gonna add more than this.
Hey! On your didn't know Kuala. No.
If there's something I want you to bring for me next time you're coming. What? Okaro to do.
Oh, Mama. Okay. You want the head too? Yeah, I need more of this. I really like it. Oh, okay. I'll get for you. Finally. Oh, we don't want calling on 911 cops in this house again.
Is that what?
One thing, estate manager, Elugo Bani Simuli. Go put a zike. America, America. Use your brain. You come use your brain. 1 degree representer. Use your brain. With the high potential. You can use your brain. You can want mama. Money is good, you can want my marriage, I go back on us for Bobama. Enough for fem na FIFA, American wonders, yeah. Okune wuna, Ikembere beru, Kiri, Isi a begumpe, upon 2 degree, hey, chibi, America, you can use your brain, mama. Respect manager. Use your brain. You got football.